If you're over 40 and your legs feel weaker, your arms are shrinking, or you're simply feeling more frail, don't assume muscle loss is inevitable. What if one natural nutrient could help protect your muscle tissue during aging, reduced activity, or even bed rest? It's called HMB, short for beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate. HMB is a natural substance your body produces from leucine, the essential amino acid found in high-protein foods like eggs, dairy, chicken, beef, salmon, and whey protein. And here's why this matters. As we age, maintaining muscle becomes increasingly difficult. This age-related muscle loss is called sarcopenia, and it can affect strength, mobility, independence, and quality of life. HMB appears to work at the cellular level by helping reduce muscle protein breakdown while supporting muscle protein synthesis. Research in older adults suggests HMB may help preserve lean muscle mass and muscle strength, particularly during periods of reduced activity. One clinical study involving older adults found that HMB helped preserve lean body mass during 10 days of complete bed rest, while the control group experienced significant lean body mass loss. But HMB isn't a magic pill or miracle cure. It works best as part of a broader muscle-preserving strategy that includes adequate protein and whatever level of physical activity is appropriate for your condition. So let's talk about 7 foods that naturally support this muscle-preserving process. Number 1. Cottage cheese. Its high-quality protein provides leucine, the precursor your body uses to produce HMB. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Its concentrated protein content provides leucine and other amino acids needed for muscle maintenance. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs provide complete protein and are rich in leucine, making them an easy addition to a muscle-supporting diet. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon combines high-quality protein with omega-3 fatty acids, supporting overall muscle health. Number 5. Beef. Beef provides complete protein, leucine, creatine, iron, and zinc. Number 6. Whey protein. Whey is rapidly absorbed and contains a high amount of leucine, making it an efficient protein source. And number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa provides protein, essential amino acids, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. The goal isn't a bodybuilder's physique, it's functional strength. It's being able to walk confidently, climb stairs, garden, travel, play with grandchildren, and maintain your independence. Muscle loss may be common with aging, but that doesn't mean you have to simply accept it. Start with adequate protein, consistent nutrition, appropriate movement, and talk with your doctor before taking an HMB supplement, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications. Your strength is your independence, and protecting your muscle health can help support a stronger, more active future.